Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards from ASUS, the Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 and the ROG Strix B850-A gaming Wi-Fi. Today we will dive into the specifications, performance, and features of each motherboard to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, we've got you covered. The ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 features the B550 chipset and an AM4 socket, making it compatible with a wide range of AMD Ryzen processors. In contrast, the ROG Strix B850A utilizes the newer B850 chipset and AM5 socket, designed to support the latest generation of AMD processors. This difference in chipset and socket technology highlights the ROG Strix's advantage in terms of future-proofing and compatibility with cutting-edge hardware. When it comes to memory support, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 is limited to DDR4 memory, which is sufficient for most users. However, the ROG Strix B850A takes it a step further by supporting DDR5 memory, allowing for higher speeds and better performance in demanding applications. This makes the ROG Strix a more suitable choice for gamers and content creators who require maximum memory performance. The ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 is priced at $119, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious users looking for a reliable motherboard without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the ROG Strix B850A comes with a premium price tag of $269, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the ROG Strix offers superior performance, the Prime B550M-A provides great value for those who do not need the latest technology. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 and the ROG Strix B850A gaming Wi-Fi have their strengths and weaknesses. The Prime B550M-A is a fantastic budget option for general users, while the ROG Strix B850A is tailored for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.